Okay guys, today we're gonna see this. It's a Nikon D5300 DSLR camera. With this camera, you're gonna see you have a lens, you have a battery charger, and then you have a memory card. You got a audio video cable. Along with the audio video cable, you're gonna see you have a USB cable too. And then this is your eyepiece cover. You're gonna see here's a place where you're gonna place your eyes. This is the eyepiece cover if you like to cover your place. So along with all these things, even you have a CD, you got a manual and several paperwork like warranty cards and all. So guys, we'll give a short look at a specification, and then we're gonna connect the lens, and we're gonna give a look at several other features. I'll go only with some of the important specification. If you are looking for the more details, you can follow the link in the video description. So it's a type of camera. It's a single lens reflex digital camera, guys. So it's a single lens reflex digital camera. So the next thing, it's an effective pixel. It's a 24.2 million. That means it's a 24.2 megapixel. Image sensor 23.5 into 15.6. It's a CMOS sensor. Now the next thing, image size. You can have an image size of this length. You can see it's a large, medium, and small. And when you go at the format, it supports NEF and JPG format, and it will be 12 or 14-bit compressed. Along with that, you can see it's a 1:4 for fine. You can choose the fine picture. If you are looking for normal pictures, it's a 1:8, and if you're looking for a basic picture, it's gonna be 1:16 compression. So according to the ratio, here you have a compression ratio. You can make a changes in the settings according to your will. You can compress the pictures, and you can have a pictures of a different quality like a fine, normal, or basic. Next thing is the picture control. You'll have a standard, natural, vivid, monochrome, portrait, landscape. You can just select all these pictures in the settings. You can just make a changes in the settings. So here you have a SD card. So the media it supports is a SD cards. It's a secure digital and UHS 1 compliant SDHC STXC memory card. So if you're looking for the more details, as I've told you, follow the link in the video description. So all the details in the link, guys. So now I'll just connect the lens, and I'm just going to show you inside the camera. When you go to connect the lens, you're going to open everything at first. So you can just open this front cover at last. So you can just take your lens. So you should not put your finger, or you should not make any kinds of a scratch. You can just rotate it, and you can just take it out. Now you're going to see the white dot in your lens. You can see, guys, here I have a white dot, and you're going to see the white dot in a camera itself. You can see here I have a white dot. So you're going to put this just exactly above the white dot. So here I have a white dot. I'm just going to mask this white dot. So you can see it's a white dot and white dot. Now just press it a little bit and just rotate it. You're going to see a small sound, and finally your lens is connected. Now you can just open it. You can see it's a cover. Now what you can do is you can just catch it, and here you have a button. You can press this button for zoom in and zoom out of your lens. So at least you need to zoom in a little bit in order to take a photographs or a video. So next thing, here you have a on and off button. You can just on it or off it. And here you have several other features, several other buttons. You just need to set it at auto. If you do not know, you can go to the manuals. If you go to the manual, you have to make several changes in the settings. So always set it to the auto if you are new. If you do not arrange the manual setting on your own. So auto gonna arrange your setting for you by itself. So the next things, here you have, and what else? Here you're gonna put the battery. You can see, you can just place your battery over here. So I put it, and you're gonna put your memory cards. It's a flash cards right over here. So I already have a flash card. It's a memory card over here. You can just put your memory card. So once you have done with all this, It's all the way ready to use now. Now you can just open it and you can see the several details. This you just have to turn on your camera and then you just rotate your, you can see this, you just have to rotate your lens a little bit. It's fine. Some of the pictures that I have taken, it will give you the great quality picture. So on the top you're going to see here you have a menu. So menu will take you to the settings. So these all are the settings. You can rotate all. You can give a print order. You can rate it. Even you can select and send to your several smart device if you have connected your several smart device to your camera. So the second you have over here. So you have lots of features like control. It's a bracketing flash, shooting display, time or exposure, autofocus. So along with that you can just give a look whether you want single frame, you have a continuous length, continuous, have a delay remote. Even you can make a movie settings on your own, whether you want a picture quality, image frame rate. So if you want to record a movie, you can record a movie of the different length. So whether you want a movie of 50 pixels, 25 pixel. So it will give you a full HD. It's a 1080 movie. You can manage your movie quality, whether you want a high quality or a normal quality. It's a microphone, noise reduction, and you have a manual setting for the movies you can on and off. You have several other settings like a Wi-Fi. You can connect it to the Wi-Fi. You have a video mode, whether you want to choose the anti-FS or PAL. There are lots of DVD supports anti-FS and PAL. When you are making a video recording, some of the DVD do not support PAL, so you can use anti-SC. If it doesn't, your DVD does not support anti-SC, even you have a PAL features. You have a location data, you have a language, you can choose the different language. You can use this in a multiple number of languages. So here you have the storage folder. You can choose the different storage folder. You can create the rename the folder of your own. Along with that you have image quality. You can see here you have features like you can, when I take a single click, in a single click you can have an image of a two different format like NEF and JPG. So even you can have a JPG and NEF separately, or in a single click you will have a two picture of a different format like NEF and JPG. So here you have a different settings like fine, normal and basics. So for compression rate, different compression matters. Fine means 1:4, normal maybe 1:8, and basic, if you are taking the basic, the compression will be 1:16. So different picture quality, whether you whatever you want, you can go with that. So you can have a image size, large, medium and small. So you can do compression whether 14-bit or 12-bit according to your choice. So you have a color, you have two different color, sRGB or Adobe RGB. So all these are the different features. You can just give a look, guys. On the top here you have a horseshoe jack. If you want to connect your trigger, you can just remove it and you can connect your horseshoe jack over here. So guys, DSLR camera is a perfect camera for the photography or for personal use, for the video recordings, or if you are taking it for image of your own personal use, or even if you are a YouTuber, if you are looking for a starter, it's one of the best camera that you can use for a starter. So while video recording, you do not have a pause option. You can just start and stop. But the image quality, video quality is really great. It's awesome. It's a very good camera for the starter of YouTube, and for the personal use, for a photography or a video, it is really one of the best camera if you are looking for a low price. So comparing to other camera, it has a normal price and it has a great features and great quality. So guys, if you like it, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video with another great stuff and great update. Have a good day. Catch you in the next video.